In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit a check at a Wells Fargo ATM. First things first, to start this process, you'll need to head to a nearby Wells Fargo ATM. If you're not quite sure where the closest one is, don't worry. You can open the Wells Fargo mobile app and use the ATM locations feature, which will help you find the nearest ATM with ease. Once you've arrived at the ATM, the next step is to insert your Wells Fargo debit card into the machine. When prompted, go ahead and enter your personal identification number, commonly known as your PIN. It's important to take your time here and ensure you enter your PIN correctly. Now, let's move on to the screen menu that will pop up. On this screen, you'll need to choose the option for deposit. Simply tap on deposit, and in your case, you'll be selecting check as the type of deposit you're making. Now comes the part where you actually handle the check. Remember to have your check properly endorsed, which means it needs to be signed on the back. This signature is crucial as it authorizes the deposit. Go ahead and insert the check into the ATM. The machine will automatically scan your check, and you'll see the image of your check and its amount displayed on the screen. It's quite straightforward, and the technology makes it incredibly simple. After the machine has processed your check, it's important to verify all the details. Take a moment to confirm the check amount and ensure it's being deposited into the correct account, whether that is your checking or savings. If everything looks correct, you'll then tap confirm to continue with the transaction. Almost done. The ATM will provide you with a receipt as the final step. This receipt can often include a photo of the check you deposited, which is entirely optional. Retaining a receipt is generally a good idea as it serves as a record of your transaction. And great news! Funds from your check are usually available the next business day, which makes accessing your money relatively quick and convenient. A few additional tips to keep in mind. One handy aspect of Wells Fargo ATMs is that you don't need a deposit envelope. These ATMs are designed to accept checks directly. Do ensure that your check is properly signed at the back before you start. And if you happen to have multiple checks to deposit, you can do so in a single transaction, although you'll need to insert them one at a time. And that's it! You've successfully deposited your check at a Wells Fargo ATM. Easy and efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found these instructions helpful. Let me know how your experience went. Have a great day.